Once you've used a drain opener, you'll never want to spend money on hiring a plumber again. Just pour it into the floor drain and then into the toilet, and the dirt inside will be dissolved and cleared away. It can prevent the pipes from getting clogged and eliminate any unpleasant odors. You can also pour it into the kitchen sink and the wash basin. Pour a quarter of the bottle each time. After using it up, your home will always smell nice. With it, you don't have to worry about blockages anymore.